Okay guys, so well, in today's video, as you can see, we got two bumpers on the left and right. What happened was someone ran into the back of my car. It always happens like that. My luck is quite bad with this car. Everybody just keeps hitting the back, so bumper is fully broken off. We got some dents at the rear. Now this bumper is wrapped up. Original color is white, so I had to buy second hand, those who were selling theirs. So I'm gonna attempt to change it. Okay, so we have taken off the rear bumper. Super dirty. These parts were actually stuck onto the inner part of the bumper, but I had to break it off because these are the sensors that I need. We have other brackets that can hold the sensor for the reverse, so all of them are still intact, so it's fine. Same design, different color. Okay, cool. So we got the rear bumper fixed, but there's some issue right here, I believe, because there was an accident previously in the past over this side of the car. So you can see the gap is still there. It's okay, figure that out later. Bumper is fixed, screws are fixed. Same design. It's supposed to be looking tight like this, but because there was an accident last time here, so I assume the alignment is a bit off. But yeah, okay.